So this is my thank you video to all my subscribers. Now I've reached 6,000 plus subscribers and it is growing at a quite a nice and fast pace, which is very exciting for me. So I want to thank each and every one of my subscribers for supporting me and subscribing to my channel and helping me to reach my goal of getting to 10,000 subscribers this year. And once I get to that 10,000 subscriber, I'm gonna open this massive prosecco and have a big celebration. For some of you who might not know my channel very well, just a quick description. My channel is specialized in technology, in health, in tutorials on softwares such as Windows 10, Microsoft Excel, Android phone, various different apps, WhatsApp, Instagram, Premiere Pro tutorials, Photoshop tutorials. It would also be very interesting for me to know what videos you're interested in that you want me to make. If it's more Excel tutorials, Premiere Pro tutorials, or is Android or WhatsApp, please let me know in the comments below and I'll try to make more of the good stuffs. Without taking much of your time, it was a great pleasure having you here, and once again I want to thank you for subscribing my channel, and I hope the next time I make this video to thank you again, it will be the time when I will be having more than 10,000 subscribers and growing faster than ever. Bye bye.